也就记得种自由，种感情无论和平衡。
On behalf of Tibetan Student Association and the Nepali Student Association, we welcome you to our joint New Year celebration. We're excited to celebrate our vibrant cultures together.
Now, to officially kick things off, please welcome NSA board member and TSMA board member to present short presentation on significance of our New Year traditions and what you can expect tonight.
Hello everybody, my name is Rinzi. I'm Vice President for Tibetan Student Association of Medicine.
Hello everybody, my name is Pupuzi and I am the fundraising chair of TEL.
Namaste everyone. My name is Shashank and I'm the co-president of Nepali Student Association.
Namaste, my name is Durga and I'm also co-president of NSA.
Namaste everyone, my name is Tanvi. I'm the social media chair for Nepali Student Association.
Namaste everyone, I'm Grace and I'm the secretary of NSA.
Namaste everyone, my name is Ojasvi and I'm the treasurer for NSA.
Hello everyone, I'm Soban and I'm the event planner for NSA.
Hello everybody, my name is Ishizada and I am co-secretary for NSA.
Namaste, I'm Karsha and I'm the vice president of NSA.
Happy Losar, this is the year of the wood dragon. So Tibetan Student Association of Madison is committed to developing awareness of the rich Tibetan culture. We seek to serve a forum to connect the growing Tibetan student population and those interested in Tibetan culture and society on campus. You're welcome to join. We celebrate Tibetan culture through dialogues, arts, Buddhism, as well as festivals. We encourage everybody to join regardless of their ethnic background and to take advantage of, or to take an active role in sharing and engaging in Tibet's culture. And so, the Year of the Wood Dragon 2151, and we're going to be talking about a little bit about Losar. The Tibetan Losar was on the February 28th, but we did celebrate with Nepali Student Org this year because there was a really bad earthquake in Tibet, and we didn't feel that it was fit to celebrate during that time. That's why we also started off with a prayer. The first day of the Losar is a new moon, completing its cycle on the 15th day. Losar is one of the biggest festivals that's celebrated in Tibet, and we have music, we have food, we have entertainment, cleaning, food preparation such as kapse and sham, as well as decorating doors and walls. One of the days leading up to Losar, we have Nishugu, and that's for, we're supposed to
Bulgogi. Bulgogi? Yeah. Oh, that's good. Over 300. I think it's that. A little bit. Oh, that's